All right, let's be real. If you're not using technology for collaboration, you're living in the Stone Age. Tech takes the work out of teamwork, making all those communication and visioning tasks a lot more manageable. Tech breaks down geographical barriers, allowing you to chat with your team in real time, even if they're halfway across the world. Digital tools automate the boring stuff, freeing you up for more creative tasks. And cloud-based platforms make sharing information a breeze. Listen, there are all kinds of tools of the trade, and here are some common ones. Shared calendars are like your scheduling superheroes. File sharing platforms can eliminate the hassle of flash drives and email attachments. Project management tools keep chaos at bay and keep the entire team organized and on schedule. And don't forget, there's plenty of software to communicate with the team and have meetings virtually anywhere. Now, to become a tech wizard, try these best practices. Choose tools that fit your team's needs, not just because they're trendy. Make use of training and support. Encourage adoption by highlighting the benefits and rewarding those who use it. And regularly evaluate whether the technology actually makes things better. All right, now with the tech under our belt, let's look at the human element, leadership. Because even the best technology is completely useless without a good leader.